The final boarding for the ferry. Let's get this loaded. Please load the bottom of the ferry first. Tickets. Can I get my tickets? Thanks. Tickets. Let's go. Let's get on. What are you waiting for? We got a ferry. We gotta get on this ferry. Line 2. Here's a turn right here. Okay, come on. Let's get loaded up. Remember, we can fit extra people on the top if you need to. No worry. Please fit people until we can't take it anymore. Let's go. Nice. Okay. That's as far as we can load. It's gonna have to load up the roof. How am I supposed to get up there? Just wait. The canes will handle it. No. Scariest thing I've ever done. You're at the top. Okay, let's get up. Again up. We need to fit 4 people on the roof, I guess. Yay. I'm on the roof of this ferry. Beep, 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 beep. No, don't try to be funny. Can you fit me on the roof? Of course. Tickets. Don't worry. Okay, we have 4 people. Okay, let's go load this ferry up. Go load this baby up. Close the gate. The gate is clearly closed. Ferry headed for the main island. He's leaving. Hopefully we can use the train now.
This is the island.
This is the mainland, and that's going to get you to the main island. Guys, I have a bad feeling about this. Right now, we should just be going straight now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This doesn't seem... Why are we spinning in circles? Faster and faster she goes. Like a bowl of Cheerios. Now we're heading right into the wall. We should be there right now. We lost somebody. We lost. I gotta get back on. Help me. Help me. Ooh, that was close. Help me. Okay, I'm gonna turn.
Oh gosh, I'm dangerously close from falling off. Help me. I'm scared. Oh my. Oh my.
No,
I feel like we're heading in the wrong direction.
No, on the turn. You do not want to fall. Ooh, I'm protected by a big door. Bye, mainland. Let's go. Who wants to go swim on the beach? Not me. We have been experiencing a little bit of technical difficulties. If any one of you knows how to drive a boat, please get up here. That's me. What do we need, Captain? We need to be pushing a button that's red. There's about 1,000 buttons that's red. Okay, then just try pushing So I start pushing all the red buttons and try, and hopefully we will hit the right red button. Okay. Beep, beep. Just activate seeking.
What? No, it's the gate.
Activate gate.
What?
What the heck? Disactivate gates. Activate lifeboats. That's part of the bridge. Why do they activate the lifeboats? Spin in circles. This does not seem autopilot.
Uh-oh.
Does that say right? Control. Self-control. Turn
Speeding.
the light down. Turn.
Oh, no.
Turn.
Turn. Oh, no.
We're going to lose a lot of customers. Hey, guys. Let me back on. I don't want to lose my life during this. No! The ferry! My ferry! I want to build up! Build it back up. Build it back up. Build it. Build it. Build it. Build it. Build it. I don't want this. Is that the
Attention, we have a problem in port. Ferry has been destroyed. Ferry has been destroyed in port. It's being rebuilt.
ferry has been...
We seem to have a bit of a problem.
Ferry has been going out of control. Can I just get on? Of course. Everybody load up because this ferry has to leave again.
Oh my gosh, this is the worst ferry ride
Oh,
ever.
tip for the ferry driver.
Oh my god, this
I hope we got it for free. Yeah. Wait, we have the...
Guys,
Yeah.
there's a thunderstorm.
Hey, let's get back loaded up. Those who want, sit on
And
the
guess
roof.
what? It's raining really hard.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, I'm trapped in this. Now what are we going to have to do? Well, guys, can we have a little...
Raining super bad.
I want a brick to hold us in.
Guys, get in there. Everyone needs to be inside. Ah! There's a storm going on. Oh my gosh, we've been washed upon the deck.
Yeah, right.
Look at it. Downpour on the dock.
Guys, how are we supposed to survive this?
Meanwhile,
Okay.
I'm bored. Ah!
I hope we don't fall off this time. 2 hours later. Why are we stopped?
They keep going out.
I want to back up. Me too. Turn it. No!
Look at it's in a big storm.
Guys, what? Can we get a shield? Activate.
Activate stopping mode.
Activate roof. Oh, good. We actually activated a third level.
Oh, thank God. Now, we should probably get a fence over here because we keep going.
Activate walls. Oh, at least he's hitting the
What the heck? I don't want to hit these buttons. But they're making a third level. I wonder why. This boat keeps going up and down.
Yeah, right.
Activate chimney. What?
Now does it... Now
Whoa! Bye bye chimney. Uh-oh. We're heading... What the heck was that? Oh no! At least we... Oh no.
I don't want to get a speeding ticket just because...
Guys, we lost a wall. few hours later, coming into port.
The port's on the other side of the deck.
Oh my gosh.
Oh!
We made a pretty miraculous trip.
I hope we don't get paid a ticket because this ride was so bad. Now we're speeding up, making up for time. We're coming
Make
in
up all that
about
lost
4
time.
hours late by crossing the 25 miles on boat, about going 2 miles an hour. We're about to get back to the Royal Island. This was the worst ferry ride I've ever took in my 79 years. Disactivate roof. Yay!
Disactivate walls.
No, this was the bridge.
Oh.
Disactivate bridge. Great, we didn't want to disactivate the bridge. But now the walls are gone. They're off in the boat. Connected. Hey, I want to get back to the mainland. Activate walls. Activate roof. That was not, guys. Where? Guys, we forgot taking the gate. Crappos. Why am I going backwards? I can't exit. First level. Oh, I'm better off than that. I want to get the beep off this. Because this was worse. This was the worst ferry ride ever. Ah, you're coming in late, eh? Can I just get the beep off this ferry? Make the right turn. Uh-oh, I don't want to land in the water. Whoa!
Get back on.
Can't you get back?
Oh, we're so impatient up here. We want to get the beep off this ferry. It sucks so bad.
I know it does. Can't go out backwards. Why is everybody leaving the ferry backwards? It's the ferry's fault. I've never seen.
I'm such a disastrous ferry.
Hey, you forgot to pay your tickets. Well, we're not gonna pay them because this was the worst ferry ride ever in my 58 years of riding ferries.
Oh my gosh.
You haven't even been alive for 58 years. In my dreams. Now what's the big backup? That's the worst ferry ride I've ever had in my 58 years of riding ferries. You haven't even been alive for 58 years. Yeah, whatever. Shut up.
Oh my, he's a very violent person. He's not like himself. He's not like him.
You shut the up. Now can I get down? Up, upsy daisy. Off the boat. The best ferry ride in my history of my 110 years of riding ferries. Again, you haven't been alive for 110 years. Get out of here, dumbhead. Guess what? You probably won't be alive in 110 years. 110 years. Blah. Later. Well, I guess the end of my fairy tale.
Alright, we're bye-bye. We unloaded all the cars.
Beep, 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 beep.
Wait, I feel something in my stomach. Oh, that doesn't feel too well. Oh my gosh. We hate this ferry ride. What the heck?
You haven't even been.
Alrighty, guys, I'm lowering the ramp. Get off.
Finally. Now we're backed up at this traffic light. It's not a traffic light. It's called congestion. You can't say a word in English when you don't even know the name. What it means. Okay, I think we're back. No.
Let's head back to pick up more passengers.
No.
Da, da, da.